Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Signature, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and at the bottom here you'll find the power button. Click on it, and from the options that show up, you want to hold power off. When you do, you can see that this changes into reboot to safe mode with a quick message. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They'll be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK and wait for the device to boot back up. So now that device booted back up, you can see at the bottom left corner we have safe mode marking, so we are always aware that we're in said mode, and that will be important as you will see that a bunch of applications have vanished from your screen, either app tray or home screen, and that is due to the actual safe mode. It disables all third-party applications, and from your home screen it hides them. So as an example, if you have created some kind of application yourself that I don't know, is malfunctioning, you're just developing it and testing it, and you can't solve whatever problem it's causing you right now in normal mode, putting it into safe mode would prevent that application from being able to affect your device. And from here, you'll be able to, for instance, navigate to your settings, apps, and then see all applications, and then manage it from here. So you could, for instance, get rid of it. And you can see we have Brave, for instance, in here, which isn't visible in here at all. So once you manage it and you want to go back to the normal mode, again, find the boot options right here by swiping down twice and then select restart. And this will obviously reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will then enter automatically into the normal mode. And as you can see, we're back in normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.